over to you. Let us start from, obviously we believe in the concept of ladies first. हम लेडीज फर्स्ट के कंसेप्ट में बिलीव करते हैं. तो आई होप कि लेडीज फर्स्ट वाले कंसेप्ट की अगर मैं बात करूं तो वी विल स्टार्ट ओवर दिस alumni meet. We will start Simran Sharma. We are having our one of the renowned alumni of this organization, Simran Sharma. We wish that Simran, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great. So we wish that Simran, you may share your experiences. You may share your experiences. How have been the experience? Okay, from Bangalore, Atul Kumar has also joined. Engineer Atul Kumar, welcome to you. Una boy.
Thank you
Atul,
so
are
much,
you
sir.
there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Atul, do your camera on. I'm very crazy to see you. I think we are meeting after the
Yes.
gap of maybe after 10 or 11 years we are meeting after. I'm right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, great, great.
Yeah. Let me change
So
the
can you do
settings.
your camera on?
Yes. Just give me a minute. Let me do the
For
settings
sure,
here.
for sure. So by the time we wish that we give the chance to Simran Sharma. Simran Sharma has been our renowned student of this organization, and she has also worked as a computer teacher here, as I remember, for 1 year approximately. And she has been the student. She has not only been the student, but she has been the patron of this organization, because she is not a very new student. When she was a small girl of maybe 6th class or 9th class, that time she used to come over here with her uncle. No, with your cousin,
Yes,
I think. And we
yes,
want to
sir.
listen your overall story from that. Welcome to you. Jyoti has also joined. Jyoti means Mannat Sethi might have joined. Okay, welcome to you, Mannat. So Simran, start your overall experiences. We would like to listen to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Simran Sharma, and I am from Jagadri basically, but currently living in Chandigarh. And I am student of sir from very long time. And today also, you can say I am student of sir. And I am very inspired from him that how to work in any organization, how to do your daily activities, even that what to do, what how you can do hard work, how you can become a successful person, and what type of job you can do. And when I have joined Lakshman Photak and Education Point, I came to know about Lakshman Photak and Education Point from my brother, cousin brother Manish Sharma, and currently he is a director of one company, Spectre Force, I believe. And I joined here as a student, in 2009 when I was in ninth class, and I was from government school, and my English was not very much good. Even I didn't know about the grammar basics even. So I came to know about sir about the English, that how you can speak in front of many people. Even I was very afraid in while speaking in front of many people, and I was like such a shy type of girl I was, and today I am little bit, but not very much. And I came to know about English from sir, and how you can speak in front of many people, in front of boys especially. I was very afraid from boys, that how you can speak in front of them. And even sir inspired me. He told me that you can take admission in any college which is a co-education college, because I was thinking to take the admission in girls college, but he inspired me that you can take admission in boys college, then you will be like a little bit comfortable in front of speaking in boys. Then I left institute for 1 or 2 years, because by 10th and 12th, for my 10th and 12th, then I rejoined the Lakshman Pataka Education Point in 2013. And then I have taken the yearly membership there, and then I have sir prepared me for giving interview in an international organization, that is Tech Mahindra. And there are so many processes in Tech Mahindra which are international, of Canada and America as well. Then I have given interview there. It was my very first interview when I had given interview there, and I got selected there. And from that day to till day, I'm doing job, and right now I'm doing as an a team lead in one organization which is Medkarma. It has the process of United States, and we always have had a conversation with Americans related to medical insurances and all. And it was a great experience while teaching as well as uh, learning experience from Lakshmi Patak and Education Point. My overall experience was very good with Lakshmi Patak and Education Point, and I never think that I never thought that I will I meet sir and sir wife as well, and Naval sir, sir's brother, and Deepika, I believe, ma'am's name is Deepika, I believe. So thank you all. My experience was very good with sir. Thank you.